Hello, just made some good iced coffee. Today I am going hiking with Lauren, so I have to go get dressed for that. And that's what this vlog entails, so. Hello everyone, we're here with Lauren in her new car.
Hey guys.
Wow. We're going hiking.
And then we're gonna get fried rice. Yeah, because we got flooded out the other day.
Guys, we went the wrong way, but we found this little circle.
Yeah.
It looks like
A fire pit.
or someone summoning a demon. So okay, I guess we'll just turn around, yeah.
Don't you open up
That window. That was so creepy.
Yeah.
I know. Guys, we found a fucking car just like on the side of this hill.
car?
Whose car is that?
It's like embedded in the hill.
I know.
It's not just like sitting there.
I think we go this way.
Okay.
Wait, what does it say? Shit.
A little dog.
A dog.
Please tell me pointing at him.
Wasn't even recording the whole time. Cool.
Too soon.
Too soon, guys.
I'm fucking out of breath.
It's okay. After this, we'll have fried rice.
Fried rice.
The only thing getting me through.
Yeah, same. My workout method.
All summer, we've done absolutely nothing.
This is it.
And then we decided to go hiking.
I couldn't think of anything else for us to do. Because it's not. Ugh. It's gonna poop.
Yes,
It's not like we can go anywhere without having to spend money.
yeah. She wore freaking flip-flops.
Yeah.
I look like a mom going to yoga class. Wow.
I need both of them to come to my house.
Wow. Your freaking flip-flops.
Definitely not from here.
We made it. Oh my god. I'm sweating. You can't see it. But we did it.
Oh, ready.
These people that looked like they were from the city, they asked us for directions to where they can swim. And I have no fucking clue. Can't put that in the vlog.
You can't?
No.
Oh, it's vulgar?
Yes.
Can you bleep it out?
Yeah, I will.
that'd be-
Like, gave them directions, but I actually had no idea what I was talking about. And, oh my god, this dog.
Yeah.
Okay, Lauren, she's shiny. Does she have a name?
Not yet.
I'll use this for my thumbnail.
Yeah, what's that? Okay, we're gonna go really awkward. Yeah, I know.
That was it for this vlog. I'm gonna go shower because I'm still very, 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 very sweaty. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.